My name is Karel Kellens. I'm one of the coordinators of the ACRO research group of KU Leuven at Campus Diepenbeek. ACRO stands for Automation, Computer Vision and Robotics. We try to contribute to bringing new technology to new markets, another way around to identify new markets for the already existing technologies.
So at ACRO we have a whole range of applications for vision, going from quality inspection to mobile robot navigation to, of course, random bin picking, where Pickit can come into play. So one application of vision at ACRO is the sorting of waste electrical equipment, which helps us to increase the efficiency in which we can recuperate precious metals. The second one is a consultancy to companies. An example of this consultancy to companies could be the random bin picking of these very complicated metal parts. They need to be picked from a random bin and placed orientated on a surface for further processing. The third application for random bin picking at our research group is, of course, also the education of the students. The task that the students need to solve in their course at this moment is that they have just a pile of two different objects that are just piled up on top of each other, and they need to sort them into two different bins, each product on its own. So we will guide them through just the basic interface of the Pickit. It's just so easy to use that they can make a setup in about 3 hours. They can create a full random bin picking setup on their own. Last time we were able to work together with the students remotely. They just, at home, from their computer, they were able to program both the Pickit and the robot system themselves.
So I was really surprised and happy to see how good it worked out at the end. In only a few hours we were able to set up the system in a remote way. And actually this also enables us to already provide some ideas, not only to do it for our own students, but also on a global scale. Maybe we can do some teaching of people around the globe, students, but maybe also in a more industrial way. So that's a really advantage, I would say, from an integrated system such as Pickit.